Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Here we have a quadratic equation, that is x square positive 3bx positive 2b square is equal to 0. In the quadratic equation above, b is a constant. What are the solutions x to the equation in terms of b? So the question clearly says in the given quadratic equation, b is a constant and we have to find the value of x, because the question says what are the solutions x to the equation. So x is a variable and we have to solve for x in this quadratic equation. I think this quadratic equation can be solved by factoring. For that, we have to multiply the constant term 2b square by the coefficient of x square, that is 1. Actually, I consider this 2b square as a constant because it does not contain variable x. It contains only the constant b. So the whole stuff positive 2b square should be considered as a constant. This constant term should be multiplied by the coefficient of x square. In this case, the coefficient of x square is 1. When I multiply this positive 2b square by this 1, still I'm getting a positive 2b square. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to get two factors for this positive 2b square, so that the sum of the two factors equals to the coefficient of x, that is positive 3b. I think positive 2b and positive 1b will work, because when I multiply this positive 2b and positive b, I'm getting positive 2b square, the stuff we have over here. When I add these two factors, positive 2b and positive 1b, so that is equal to positive 3b, which is the coefficient of x over here. Now we can get the two values of x for the given quadratic equation from these two factors. For that, what I have to do is I have to change the sign of each of these two factors. Okay, to get the first value of x, I have to change the sign of the first factor. It's already positive. When I change the sign, I'm getting negative 2b. So negative 2b is the first value of x. Okay, now to get the second value of x, I have to change the sign of the second factor. It's already positive. When I change the sign, it will be negative. That is x equals to negative b. So the solutions to the given equation are negative 2b and negative b. We find this negative 2b and negative b in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.